this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gcash can't open because of developer option at unknown source settings. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, let's try and open our Gcash app. And as you can see, it says that the system detected that our developer options is on and won't let us proceed. So to fix this, we just need to turn off our developer options. So now let's go to our phone settings and just scroll to the very bottom until we find this developer option settings. So let's tap on developer options. And from here, you can just simply turn this off. So let's turn off developer options and go back and just close your settings. Now you want to go and try to open Gcash app again. And as you can see, you can now enter your PIN and log in. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.